Are you currently wondering how you can make money online? Something that is really easy, doesn't take a long time to do, and some of it is even automated by using some free apps? Well, put that laptop down for a second and listen up. You can use your laptop, you can use your desktop, you might even be able to use a cell phone. And the cool thing about it is that I know there's a lot of things going on with Bitcoin and things look really up and up, but sometimes it could be confusing for people. And most of all, you want something that is free and easy to use. With the whole idea of going on that wonderful vacation you've always dreamed of, wouldn't it be great that you can have enough money to go wherever you want, however you want, spend as much money as you want, and have that freedom? Just take a few seconds here and think about your goals in life. What do you need to do to accomplish going on these European vacations? Or maybe even going to that wonderful place that you've always wanted to go, and that is called the beach. How about a nice beach vacation on an island in Saint somewhere? Would you agree if you said yes to all of those questions I asked? Then strap in and learn how you can make money online now.
But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put up a new video. And would you also please click that like button down below? I would appreciate it. So now let's jump into the video.
So in this video, I am going to show you a way to get cheap traffic for your website. Every online company knows that without traffic to their site, they go broke quickly. There are many ways to get cheap traffic, and one way is pay-per-click advertising, where you pay per click through to your site. But, you don't know if the customer is going to purchase that product when they do that, so you do lose some money with that. Another way is to request links from other relevant high traffic sites. Links to other well-established sites is like personal recommendations, where you establish credibility really fast, which increases the chances that they will buy your product. You must be persistent enough with some of those sites though. You want to download the Alexa toolbar, which can give you information about a website such as traffic rating, ranking, contact info, site stats, related links, etc. You can get free advertising by giving away free expert content that's relevant to the sites. So that's a great way of getting some traffic, by giving away free information. And as long as they will allow that. Website owners are always looking for fresh content, so it's always a good thing to check these out. Make sure that you write a bit about the author and your website or product. As long as it is not competing with theirs, they certainly shouldn't mind. Two posts that come to mind quickly are ezinearticles.com, which I've probably shown you before, and another site called freesticky.com. You can become an active expert in a news group that is industry related. A news group is an online forum where people share information and common interests. When you post, you are literally talking to your potential customers. These people do not want to be sold something. They want information from gurus. They're not buying the product, they're buying the benefits. Always remember that. So they want the information from the gurus about the topic that they are interested in. Make sure that you have a signature file and start establishing relationships and prove your expertise. Stay with a news group that do not accept advertisements. This is also a great way to gather feedback from your website, straight from the horse's mouth. You can revent it if you need to and fix it accordingly. When you post information articles, people will begin to look forward to your post, and eventually you may want to direct these people to your brand new newsletter if that's what you have. So it's a great way to get traffic. So I hope you got some great information about this. If you did, please like, share, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. And go make some money now.